Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from IToptionWiki.com, and today we're gonna do a video about trading plan. And I keep hammering how important it is to have a trading plan, to have a risk management strategy in your trading. So let's dive into my website and we're gonna look at a few things. So now in my website we have an article. It's a very good article about trading plan. It explains you several things, and I recommend you to read it. Click the link in the description down below to have a look at that article, and you can see whatnot. Now, underneath the article, I wrote 12 points that should be in your trading plan, and we're going to cover them slowly, point by point. I will also put them in the description down below of this video. And what you need to do, or what I encourage you to do, is that you're gonna go through these 12 points. You don't have to use them, all of them. Maybe you're only going to use 5 of them, but copy paste those and answer those points in the comments down below so other traders can learn from your trading plan. And so by that way we can learn from each other. If you have a trading plan, share it in the comments down below. If you have not one, make one and share it in the comments down below. That will be really helpful for everybody. So the first question will be, how long will my trading plan be in use? Depends how long you use your trading plan. You got to figure out what trading plan works for you the best. So it's maybe best to take this trading plan for you for about a week. And if you like it, you're going to extend it for a month. If you still like it, maybe you're going to make some adjustments after a month. If you think, I want to try this or that, or maybe a different strategy, you're going to adjust that a little bit. But if you make a trading plan, stick to that trading plan for a period of time until you figure out if it works for you or not. Second question, what markets are we going to trade? What assets do I going to trade? For example, are you going to trade binary options? Are you going to trade regular options? Are you going to trade digital options? Are you going to trade Bitcoin? Are you going to trade other cryptocurrency? Are you going to trade only Forex, like the currency pairs? And whatnot, right? Then the third question will be, what trading strategy do I gonna use? This is very important because people are gonna use several different strategies. But when you're starting out, it's better to just take one strategy for a particular market. And if you're gonna use that strategy, stick with that strategy and don't change that. Then fourth question, what expiration time do I going to use? This is specific for binary options. How long do you going to make your trades, and what expiration times are going to use with your strategies? Then the next one, what time frame do I trade on? This depends all on the charts. If you go to the iCaption platform, if you look in the left corner here, I'm now at the daily chart, but maybe you want to trade at the 5-minute chart or the 1-hour chart. Depends how long your trade's going to be, depends what fits your strategy, right? So next question, what trading tools are you going to use? It's always helpful to use as much trading tools as possible. You need to figure out what trading tools you like, what trading tools you don't like. For example, tracking your trading is a very helpful tool in our website. I recommend you to check out our trading tools in the menu bar on our website. We have a lot of free trading tools to your disposal. They're completely free, just to help you to become a better trader. I recommend you to check it out. Again, in the link is in the description to visit our website. Have a look at that. Next, trading account size. How much do you're willing to invest into your trading account, and how big you're gonna make the account. You gotta remember that small accounts want to make big money, and big accounts want to make small amounts. It's better to have a big account and trade and to try gain small amounts than to have a small account and to trade with big money to make big amounts of money. So you need to figure out what is comfortable for you, but also what is the maximum investment I'm willing to lose, because it is possible that you blow up your account. So it should be always money that you can afford to lose. Then the next will be money management. It's very important. how you're going to manage your money in your trading, and what system are you going to use. Do you going to trade like a gambling system like martingale to better the odds, but the odds can also be against you? Are you going to use that? Yes or no? Then maximum number of trades in a day. To prevent overtrading, it's always good to set a maximum number of trades in a day that you will not be overtrading, because overtrading can blow up your account as well. And then maximum losses in a day. What amount are you gonna maximum lose in a day? Can be example. I'm gonna say I'm gonna lose a maximum 5% of my total account balance in one day. And but that way you can never wipe out your account in one day. Then profit targets. Are you going to set profit targets? What are these profit targets going to be? You're going to put 4% a day, 3% a day, 2% a day. Do you going to make get money out of the account when you make profits? All those kind of things, those matter, right? And what happens if you don't make your target? If you set targets, if you don't make them, what are you going to do when you don't make them? You're going to readjust your goal. What is going to be the question? So that were 12 questions. I recommend you to answer them. You don't have to answer all of them again. You can just pick 5 if you think only 5 questions is necessary for your trading plan. But share them in the comments down below. And that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna enjoy Bangkok here. Tomorrow I fly to Singapore again, but that's for another story. Thank you for watching and good luck.